Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before.
"20 days to PSLE. Let's read the question. Gary had 350 sweets. 52% of them were mint flavored. He ate some of the mint flavored sweets, and the percentage of mint flavored sweets decreased to 44%. How many mint flavored sweets did Gary eat?" So I'm going to write down the before and the after. Before, 52% mint, which means the rest of them would be the others, non-mint, 48%. 100 minus 52 will be 48%. Okay, let's check the after. After, the percentage of mint flavored sweets decreased to 44. So mint is now 44 and the others would be 100 minus 44, which is 56. So we know that the total at the beginning, he had 350 sweets, which means at the beginning, 100%, 350. So 1% would be 3.5 sweets. Now let's look at the question. They tell us that he ate some of the mint flavored sweets. Means he didn't eat the other flavors, right? Yeah, so the others would remain unchanged. So let's find out the others. 48% will be 168. So there's 168 of the others, which he didn't eat, which means it remain unchanged. Okay, which means in the end, it will also be 168 of others. No change, no change, same. Okay, so which means 56% in the end is also 168 sweets. So it tells us that 1% is, if you divide, 3 sweets. So the question wants us to find how many mint flavored sweets did Gary eat. We need to find out 100% in the end. That's the total number of sweets he had in the end, which is 300. So if at first Gary had 350 sweets, he ate some mint flavored sweets, and he ended up having 300 sweets, this tells us that he ate 50 sweets. So 50 mint sweets. That's the answer for this. See you tomorrow.